Hello everyone, my name is Baloun and this is MotionVault. Basically what this app does is it tracks your skeleton, stores in a JSON file, and then sends it to the cloud along with the video data. The goal of this project is to implement some sort of solution for low data with robotics models. We need more data to train these robots to function like humans and understand what humans are doing, like waving or crushing a can or doing some other sort of action. But anyways, let me show you what we've got. So this is our recording interface, right? We have this little pose guy at the top that represents that we're in the skeleton mode. We can turn that on and off. You can turn on the back camera, but there's no skeleton over there. Yeah, we have two buttons in the bottom. We have the vault and the settings. So we go to the vault. We can see my sad face with the other recordings that failed. But let's see if we can see these in action. To export these JSONs. All right, this is the thing I just recorded. You're kind of hearing my voice over again, so that's a little annoying. But let me show you something really cool. Basically, we're able to represent this data in 3D. Isn't that sick? So we have this little guy moving around. This is exactly the motion I did. And it is a little glitchy because my feet do go out of frame near the end. But it's a pretty cool feature we've implemented. You can zoom out, zoom in, recenter, and yeah. All right, now I'm going to show you what importing videos looks like. It uses the same process we do for the main camera using a live feed, but uses the local storage instead. It takes a few good minutes to bake, and that is why we're on the desktop version right now. It is just a little faster, and I couldn't really show it in that amount of time on my phone. But yeah, you can see this little Fortnite character dancing around with the skeleton. Isn't that cool? All right, on to the next part. Then we have the settings area. In the settings area, we have the count stuff where you can change your password, you can change your language. I'm going to avoid changing the language because I might struggle changing it back. Then we also have the advanced setup, where you can set up the specific video mode on default. We can set up the skeleton scheme. Let's go purple and pink. That sounds cool. And then, yeah, let's go for a countdown timer as well. And yeah, let's make sure this is on Wi-Fi. Awesome. So let's go back. Maybe just hit about real quick. Cool. Back. And look at that, guys. I'm a different color now. Isn't that sick? Let's see if we can store this data. Oh, look at that. That's the countdown too. Doing a hand wave. Double salute. Thumbs up. Perfect. All right. Now let's make sure this was stored. I believe the recording will be there. It might be out of order. Oh, wait, that was it. Look at that. Awesome. All this stuff is implemented using Firebase. We have a login and logout feature. Everything is stored up to the cloud. If you log in with your email, certain username, you should be able to get your stuff back. Unfortunately, I don't remember the sign up for that other account, so I'm just gonna type in a bunch of random info and create a new account and show you what a blank slate looks like. Hit create account, and then bam, we should see no videos here. Yep, look at that. Oh, one more feature I forgot to show. We have a share feature. So if I record something real quick, hit pause, we can, oh, come on. It's a little shy sometimes. We can select this video and hit the share button, and we can send it to the many contacts. I don't think my boss wants that, so I'm gonna hit cancel. We send the JSON and the video data, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Adios.